All right, welcome back, everybody. Spring storm bringing a potpourri of weather out there. We've got obviously some thunderstorms. Thanks to Rob for braving this storm, grabbing that awesome lightning strike right there. More thunderstorms continue to move through parts of the state here, so it's going to be a bumpy night. We also have some snow up at Great Divide. Look at the ground covered with some fresh snow out there. The visibility is just improved enough here at McDonald Pass, so look at that road surface there. Plows might have to come out and kind of push some of that snow off to the side. Right now, Rogers Pass doesn't look that bad. Road surface is a little wet. Looks like off a little higher up the pass there, we've got a little snow flakes coming down. And how about Homestake Pass? Elk Park also looking at some snow coming down. Lewistown, an area that is under the gun for maybe some thunderstorms here in the next couple of hours, some heavy rain tonight, and there could be some snow, certainly into the Judith Mountains here north of town. The big snows will get pounded with snow, but even in Lewistown tomorrow morning, there could be a little slushy accumulation of some snow. Warmer farther east ahead of the front, and yeah, you can see where the cold front, the precipitation has moved through. Temperatures 52 in Great Falls, dropping pretty quickly, 45 with a pretty strong west wind in Helena, so not a very pretty May evening ahead of us here. Winter weather advisory above 5,500 feet for areas like the Highwood Mountains and the Little Belts and the Big Belt Mountains. Also winter weather advisory up there for Marias Pass and the East Glacier area. If anybody's traveling into the south central part of the state, east of Bozeman, from Livingston through Big Timber, there's a high wind warning that will continue until noontime tomorrow. A wind advisory, not as bad as a high wind warning, but a wind advisory here around Missoula, Kalispell, all the way up through Avon, Garrison Junction, Drummond, all the way to Elliston and McDonald Pass here. That wind advisory going until 9 o'clock tonight, although a lot of the state is windy. Had some issues with the radar sites actually at Great Falls and also Missoula. That's why that was doing some flashing right there, but radar still could pick up some of that heavy rain coming down through Great Falls, and there you can see that thunderstorm activity moving off towards the north and the east. Let's zoom into the Electric City where that rain is coming down really heavily right now throughout the entire area, especially as you get down Highway 89 over through around Mara Canyon, heading to about Nyhart. Some really heavy rain coming down. Look at the lightning strikes moving over the Highwood Mountains, Geraldine, that rain knocking on your doorstep if it's not raining there already, and eventually this heavy rain, a few rumbles of thunder, will be heading east through about the Lewistown area. Back around the Helena area, just some light rain out in the lower elevations, but I showed you up on top of McDonald Pass, Great Divide, heading up over Flesher Pass, and then just north of Lincoln up around the Copper Creek Bowls, picking up some pretty good snow right now. Speaking of snow, a little snow into the northeast here, which is unusual. This weekend, some parts of the northeast may actually get accumulating snow, maybe the latest in the year to see accumulating snow on record. That's pretty remarkable. Back here in Montana, though, some heavy rain moving out of Great Falls here over the next few hours into Lewistown, north central Montana, picking up some of that very heavy rain. There's that heavy rain continuing, mainly in the north central part of the state here tonight. A few snow showers, a few rain showers further towards the west, but watch what happens through the overnight hours. We'll see this precipitation coming back down towards the south, and that's when we could see some wet snow around Lewistown through the morning hours here. A little mix of some rain and snow around Great Falls. Even Helena could have a little mix of some rain and snow through the morning hours. But the low pressure will be working its way southeastward away from the state through the morning hours into the afternoon. By the afternoon, we'll start to see the clouds breaking up here a little bit. Still a few showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but most of the stormiest weather will be through the morning hours here on Thursday. Then into Friday, starting out with partly cloudy skies early on. But look at this little swirl of low pressure. Yet another one coming down with showers and thunderstorms through Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Snowfall, yeah, we'll have some in the mountains, especially the big snowies. There could be a couple inches of snow if everything goes right, even in Lewistown by early tomorrow morning. Lows tonight down into the 30s. It's a rainy, stormy, windy night here. Some snow into the higher terrain, even Lewistown again. Heading up over Kings Hill Pass tonight, or Deep Creek Pass or McDonald Pass. Please use some caution into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, Stormy in the morning, low pressure moving out in the afternoon, and the clouds will start to break up through the afternoon. Cool highs in the 50s with the cloud cover out there. For Friday, scattered showers and thunderstorms once again, highs in the 50s and the 60s. The nice day this weekend, Saturday, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the 50s, 60s, about 71 in Missoula. And here's the forecast for Mother's Day, a little on the cooler side, highs in the 40s, 50s, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a couple of showers. So not as nice of a day on Sunday as it will be on Saturday. There you can see the 7-day forecast for Helena. More wet weather Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. And for Great Falls, it's a stormy night, a stormy start to your Thursday. Saturday looks nice. Keep Mom warm on Mother's Day Sunday.